Forget protein shakes. There's a hidden mineral that rebuilds muscle faster after 60. Let me tell you about Mary. For privacy reasons, I've changed her name, but her story is real. She's 68, loves gardening, but lately she's been struggling to carry her watering can. Her legs feel heavy, her energy's gone, and she's terrified of falling and ending up in the hospital. Sound familiar? Today, I'm sharing a simple mineral that can help you rebuild muscle, boost energy, and stay active, backed by science. Type 1 in the comments if you're ready to feel stronger. Hit subscribe to join our journey on quality senior living. Mary's not alone. After 60, many of us notice our strength slipping. It's not just about getting older, it's about what's happening inside your body. Protein gets all the hype, but it's only half the story. There's a mineral your muscles crave to stay strong, and most of us are missing it. I'm talking about zinc. Yes, zinc, the unsung hero that powers your muscles, fights fatigue, and even sharpens your mind. Stick with me and I'll show you how to use it to transform your health just like Mary did. Let's start with why your muscles are fading. As we age, our bodies don't repair muscle as well. Hormones like testosterone and insulin-like growth factor drop, slowing muscle growth. Your cells' energy factories, called mitochondria, lose their spark. It's like trying to drive a car with a weak battery. You can eat all the protein you want, but without the right spark, your muscles won't rebuild. Zinc is that spark. Studies show zinc boosts muscle repair by supporting protein synthesis and reducing inflammation. Comment too if you've noticed your strength fading lately. Here's what happened to Mary. She used to spend hours in her garden, but last year she could barely kneel to plant her roses. Her doctor said it was just aging, but Mary didn't buy it. She was tired of feeling weak, missing her walks with friends, and worrying about falls. Then she discovered zinc. Within weeks of adding zinc-rich foods and a supplement, she felt stronger. Her legs didn't wobble anymore, and she was back to tending her garden. This isn't magic, it's science. Zinc helps your body use protein to rebuild muscle fibers. Why does zinc work so well? It's a key player in over 100 enzyme reactions in your body. It helps your muscles recover by boosting collagen production, which strengthens connective tissues. It also fights oxidative stress, those pesky free radicals that damage cells and slow recovery. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults with higher zinc levels had better muscle mass and grip strength. If you're over 60, your body absorbs less zinc from food, and stress or medications can deplete it further. Type 3 in the comments if you're ready to give zinc a try. Let's talk about how to get more zinc. First, food. Oysters are the king of zinc. 6 medium oysters give you 33 milligrams, more than your daily need. Don't like seafood? Try beef, pumpkin seeds, or lentils. Aim for 8 to 11 milligrams daily, but don't overdo it. Too much zinc can mess with other nutrients like copper. A simple trick is to add a handful of pumpkin seeds to your morning oatmeal. It's easy, cheap, and delicious. Mary started sprinkling pumpkin seeds on her salads, and it made a huge difference. Comment 4 if you love a good salad.
Supplements can help too, but choose wisely. Zinc picolinate or zinc gluconate are best. They're easier for your body to absorb. Take 15 to 30 milligrams daily with a meal to avoid stomach upset. Timing matters. Mary takes her zinc supplement with dinner as it helps her body repair muscle overnight during sleep. Always check with your doctor first, especially if you're on medications. Want a pro tip? Pair zinc with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges. It boosts absorption. Try this for 2 weeks and see how you feel. Type 5 if you're ready to test this out. Here's something most people miss. Zinc doesn't just help muscles, it lifts your energy. Ever feel like you're dragging through the day, even after a good night's sleep? That could be low zinc. It supports your thyroid, which controls metabolism. When zinc levels dip, your energy tanks, and so does your motivation to move. A 2018 study in Nutrients showed that zinc supplementation improved energy levels in older adults by supporting thyroid function. Mary noticed she had more pep for her afternoon walks after boosting her zinc. Comment 6 if you're tired of feeling sluggish. Let's dig deeper. Muscle loss isn't just physical, it's mental too. Mary started doubting herself when Umaru Ibrahim Dambata couldn't lift her gardening tools. She felt old, useless, and scared of losing her independence. That's not just aging, that's your body crying for help. Zinc helps your brain too. It supports neurotransmitter function, keeping your mood stable and your mind sharp. When Mary added zinc, she didn't just get stronger, she felt more confident. She stopped fearing the future and started planning new garden projects. Type 7 if you want to feel that spark again. Now, let's address a common mistake. Many seniors load up on protein shakes, thinking it's the answer. But without enough zinc, your body can't use that protein effectively. It's like pouring gas into a car without a spark plug. Zinc ignites the process, helping your muscles turn protein into strength. But here's the catch. Zinc needs balance. Too much can block iron absorption, leading to anemia. Stick to the recommended 8 to 11 milligrams from food or 15 to 30 milligrams from supplements. Mary learned this the hard way when she overdid it and felt nauseous. Balance is key. Comment 8 if you've ever tried protein shakes without results. Exercise is crucial too. Zinc won't build muscle on its own. You need to move. Strength training, even light weights or resistance bands, sends a signal to your muscles to grow. Mary started doing chair squats and bicep curls with small dumbbells 3 times a week. Combined with zinc, her muscles responded faster. A 2021 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who combined zinc with resistance training gained more muscle mass than those who didn't. Start with 10 minutes a day. Comment 9 if you're ready to move more. Let's talk about sleep. Poor sleep kills muscle repair. Zinc helps here too. It boosts melatonin production, helping you sleep deeper. Mary used to toss and turn, waking up exhausted. After adding zinc-rich foods and a supplement, she started sleeping through the night. Her muscles recovered better, and she felt refreshed. Try eating zinc-rich foods like chickpeas or cashews a few hours before bed. Pair it with a calming routine, maybe a warm bath or light stretching. Comment 10 if you struggle with sleep.
Here's a surprising benefit of zinc. It protects your bones. Muscle loss often goes hand in hand with weaker bones, increasing fall risks. Zinc supports bone density by aiding collagen formation and calcium absorption. A 2019 study in Osteoporosis International showed that seniors with higher zinc intake had a lower risk of fractures. Mary's fear of falling faded as her legs got stronger and her balance improved. She even started dancing with her grandkids again. Imagine that freedom. Type 11 if you want to stay steady on your feet. Let's address stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which breaks down muscle. Zinc helps lower cortisol by supporting your adrenal glands. Mary used to stress about her health, which made her feel worse. After boosting her zinc, she felt calmer, and her body stopped fighting itself. Try this. Eat a zinc-rich snack like yogurt with pumpkin seeds during stressful moments. It's a small step that signals your body to relax. Comment 12 if stress is stealing your strength. Now let's get practical. Here's a daily zinc plan for you. Breakfast, oatmeal with a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. Lunch, a beef or lentil soup. Dinner, grilled salmon or chicken with a side of spinach. Snack, a handful of cashews. If you're supplementing, take 15 milligrams of zinc gluconate with dinner. Pair it with a vitamin C-rich fruit like kiwi. Track how you feel for 30 days. Mary did this and felt like a new person, stronger, happier, and more active. Comment 13 if you're ready to start this plan. Here's the mindset shift. Stop thinking aging means weakness. Your body is still capable of building strength. You just need the right tools. Zinc is one of those tools, but it's not a cure-all. Combine it with movement, sleep, and stress management. Mary stopped believing she was too old and started seeing herself as adaptable. She's now planning a hiking trip with her family. You can do this too. Type 14 if you believe you can get stronger. Let's wrap this up with a shocking truth. Most seniors are zinc deficient and don't even know it. Signs like fatigue, weak muscles, or frequent colds are red flags. Ignoring them could lead to more falls, hospital visits, or losing your independence.
But here's the flip side. You can rebuild your strength. Mary did it. She went from struggling in her garden to winning a local gardening contest. You can start today. Eat zinc-rich foods, move your body, and sleep well. Your body will thank you. I'd love to hear from you. Comment your age and the health issue you're facing. I'll make a video just for you. Hit that like button if you learned something new. Subscribe to Quality Senior Living and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a tip. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this. What topic do you want next? Zinc recipes, exercises, or maybe stress relief? Let me know below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.